So friends, we are solving the problems that are based on HCF and LCM for Standard 7 scholarship exam. Now we are moving to our practice exercise 7.2, where the question is which two-digit number have their HCF and 4 and LCM 144. So here we use the method of division. LCM should be divided by HCF, so we will get the non-common factors. Okay, so if we divide this LCM with HCF, we got the answer as 4 3s are 12, 2 will be the remainder, 4 will come down, and 24. Now see, 4 6 are 30, 4 6 are 24. So 36 is the product of two non-common factors. Okay, so you have to divide this 36. Okay, now we will divide this 36 into 9 is equal to 9 into 4. So these are the product of two factors, which is equal to HCF of that two numbers. Okay, so product of common factors. So to find out the number, what we will do, we just multiply the HCF with the factors. So first factor is 9 and another factor is 4. So we got our numbers as 36 and 60. Like this the method is there. Okay, so this is the product of common factors. 9 and 4 are the common factors of given two numbers. Now you have to find the two numbers, so you have to multiply with HCF. So HCF is 4, so we just multiply with HCF so that we will get the answer for common factors. Okay, because we have the formula that LCM upon HCF is equal to non-common factors. Okay, so 36 is the product of non-common factors, and we divide the 36 into two factors, and after that if we multiply these factors with HCF, which is the common factor, we will get the number directly. So this is the method to find out the two numbers. Okay, now find the smallest number which when divided by any number from 2 to 10, the remainder is 1. Okay, so if you look carefully, we have to apply the divisibility test here, and you can find out the solution. Okay. Now next one, two rectangular ground have equal breadth and their area is given to you. 1541 is area of one ground and 759 is the area of another ground, and what is the breadth of the ground. Here again the division method we have to apply. 1541 is divided by 759. It is when divided with 759, 2s are 9, 2s are 18, 1 will be carry forwarded, 2 5s are 10, 11, 1 will be carry forwarded, 2 7s are 14, 15. So 15, 18 is the answer for 759 2s are. So subtract 11 minus 8, 3. We have to borrow here, so 2 and 0 0. So 23 is the remainder. Now divide this 759 with 23. So 23 2s are 46. Again we have to borrow here, so 9 and here 2 and 299. So 299 is in ninth multiple of 23. So ninth नहीं, एक मिनट, 9 and 15 minus 6 9, 6 minus 2 7, 1 second, 299. So 299 23 23 1 जा 23 23 2 जा 46 23 3 जा भी हो जाएगा. ओके, सो 759 into 3 23 into 3, so 9 and 69. So 675 minus 69 is equal to 6, and this 9 will come down. So 23 3 is 69. So 33 we got as a quotient, and the number get completely divisible. So 23 is the common factor of both of them, which is the breadth. Okay. Now the next one. When number is divided by one digit prime number, the remainder is 1. We have to find that number. Again, you can find it. Okay. Now we will take the next one. 6x and 7x are the two numbers. HCF is given, LCM is given. We have to find the value of x. So you know the formula. What is the formula? HCF into LCM is equal to 6x into 7x. Okay. So 252, 6 into 252 is equal to 6 7 are 42, or we cannot multiply here, so x square. So this will come to the denominator side. 6 into 7 is equal to x square. 6 will get cancelled. Now divide 252 with 7. So 7 3 are 21, 4 will come down, 7 6 are 42. So x square is equal to 36. So x is equal to 6. Okay. So in this way we can solve. Now the next one also you try. 48 is one number. LCM is given to you, and we have to find the other number. Okay. So in this way I thought I think you will find out the numbers. HCF of two number is 1 by 6 of their LCM. If HCF is 5, one of the number is 15, we have to find the other number. We just have to use the formula. LCM into HCF, one number into another number. Use the formula and solve it. Okay. So I will move to the next chapter, which is vulgar fraction and decimal fraction. So what is meant by vulgar fraction? So vulgar fractions are the fractions which are improper fraction, proper fraction, and mixed fraction. Okay. And decimal fractions, we got the answer in decimal form. They have the denominator in the multiple of 10. Okay. Now you know the rules regarding the fractions. If equal denominator is there, the fraction having greatest numerator is the greater fraction. If equal numerator is there, the greater denominator is the smallest fraction. With numerator smaller than denominator by 1, 2 or 3, the greatest denominator is the greatest fraction. These are all the rules which we know. Okay. We had seen in the last chapter also. Now we will directly solve the practice exercise. Some of the examples we will solve, and then we will take the lead. Now see, 24 is added to 4/7 of 3/4 of the number, and the result is the same number. Okay. What is that number? Now we assume the number as x. Now what is the 3/4 of number? 3 by 4x. Okay. And 4 by 7th of this. And what is added? 24 is added to it. And we got the number 10 as x. Now you do this. 4 by 7 into 3 by 4x. What is your answer? 4 will get cancelled. 3 by 7x is equal to x minus 24. This 24 will come to the right hand side. Okay. Now what it becomes? We just multiply with this 7 everywhere. So it becomes 3x is equal to 7x minus 24 into 7. Okay. Now this 24 into 7 will come to this side and this 3x will go to this side. So it becomes 24 into 7 is equal to 7x minus 3x is equal to 4x. Now x is equal to 24 into 7 upon 4. 4 6 are 24, 6 7 are 42. So 42 is your number. Okay, so you have to read the question carefully. 3/4 of the number and uska 4/7 and then 24 is added to that number. The result is same, which is the number itself. Okay, now here again you have to find the greater number than 5/7 and smaller number than 11/14. So you make the denominator common and you can find. Okay, now I will explain the next one. Now see, 3 into 1/10 into 3/10 plus 1 as to 2/5 divided by 20. Now there is a rule कि division and multiplication should be done first and then addition subtraction. So we will solve this first and this first, okay, before adding them. So 3/10 into 3/10, okay. नहीं, 30/10, 10 3s are 30 plus 1, 31/10 ना, 31/10 into 3/10 plus 5 1s are 5, 7/5 divided by 20 means 1/20. Okay, so it becomes 31 3s are 93/100 plus 7/100. 7 1s are 7, 5 20s are 100. Multiplication is there na, so we just multiply 10 into 10 100, 31 into 3 93. Numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. Now base is same, just add them. So 93 plus 7, 100/100. So 1. Okay, understood? Now the next one. Find the fraction value between the fraction 1/3 and 2/3. Now again here you have to find out the least common multiple of both of them, which is 6. But we don't use here 6, we use here 12 as a denominator because we want the answer in the form of 12 as a denominator. So this 1/3 to become something by 12, we have to multiply here with 4, so it becomes 4/12 and this becomes 6/12. So your in between fraction is 5/12, which is greater than 4/12, that is 1/3, and smaller than 1/2, that is 6/12. Now here again you have to solve this decimal form of sum. So 6.75 into 5.5 plus 5.5 into 3.25. Again convert it into 675/100 into 55/10 plus 55/10 and into 325/100 and then multiply this and then solve. Okay, so you will get the answer. Or you can do one thing also, कि you can take a common factor. 5.5 will come out commonly. You just have to add 6.75 plus 3.25. So 6.75 plus 3.25 is equal to 10. Now 5.5 multiplied by 10 is equal to 55. So your answer is option number 1. What I had done, see, 5.5 is there in multiplication with 6.75. 5.5 is here in multiplication with 3.25. So I had taken this 5.5 common out of these two terms. So 5.5 will come out of the bracket. What remain inside the bracket? 6.75 plus 3.25. Okay. Now add both of them. Their addition is 10. So just multiply this 5.5 with 10. You will get the answer as 55. Okay. Now again, 2/5 of the book and 10 additional pages are read. 110 pages of the book are left to be read. How many pages of the book have? Now assume the pages as x. Now 2/5 of the pages are read. So 5 upon 5x is read. Additional 10 pages are to be read and 110 pages are left, and all these is equal to number of pages in the book. Now you find the value for x. Here again you have to multiply and find out the value for x. Now the given terms are 5 by 7 plus 3 by 7 into 14 upon 24 is equal to x. Now first do the multiplication. Okay. Now 7 2s are 14 and 3 6s are 24. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. So what is remaining? 5 upon 7 plus 1 upon 3 is equal to x. Now cross multiply. 21 15 plus 7 is equal to x. So 3 8s are 24, no? Sorry. 3 8s are 24, not 6. So 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. So it is 1 by 4. So the common is 28. Now here 20 plus 7. So what is the value of x? This 27 upon 28. Okay. Now a is equal to b, b is equal to c, c is equal to d. Find the greatest of the fraction. You can find it. Okay. Which is greatest? Numerator is common. So denominator, which is greater or smaller? So greatest fraction is the denominator which is smaller. So d by 2 is the correct option. Okay. Now you have to find the value for m here. Again you just have to add these terms. If you add these terms, what you will do here, you have to subtract 7.023 from this 11.203. Because they are all inside the bracket, and when we subtract we get the answer as 4.18, but the negative sign is there out of the bracket, so your answer is minus or plus. Now here is a twist, plus हो जाता है because minus 11 is a greater number. We got the answer in minus, but out of the bracket there is a minus sign, so minus minus become plus. So 4.18 is your answer. Okay. Now you can find the value for p also by solving this sum. Very easy it is. Now we'll move to the second exercise of it. I think we should. Now here first example is very much interesting. Okay, look carefully. Now see, 6.28 into 3.14 upon 9.42 divided by 3.14 square upon 12.56. Now if you look carefully, what is 6.28? It is 2 into 3.14 into 3.14 is there upon. What is this 9.42? It is also 3 into 3.14. 14 3s are 42 and 3 3s are 9. So this 3.14 and this one 3.14 will get cancelled. Now these all the things are in division, so it will go to multiplication. What is 12.56? It is nothing but the 4 into 3.14. Okay, and upon 3.14 bracket square is there. So this 3.14 and this 3.14 will get cancelled with this 3.14 bracket square. Okay, so what is remaining? 4 2s are 8 and denominator is 3. So 8 by 3 is your answer. Again here also you can convert it into now like 2 upon 100 and 2 upon 1000, then multiply and then find the answer. Okay, now which of the following fraction lies in between 1 by 2 and 1 by 2? Just now we had solved. 5 by 12 was the answer. Here again you can simplify it. 0.36 is nothing but 0.06 bracket square. 0.27 is nothing but 0.03 into 9 3s are 27. Here no square is there. Here we multiply. Here also we multiply, because if we do the square of it, it becomes 0.0036. Okay, so 0.36 is nothing but the 6 into 0.06. 9 into 0.03 and 1 into 0.01. 1 na? Zero 0.001 हो गया ना वो. Here the point is not changed, but here they move, so it is cube. 0.01, 0.1 cube it is. Okay. Now you solve. This will get cancelled. So what is remaining? 1 6 9s are 54 into 0.01 is remaining. So it becomes 0.54. This is your answer. I will explain it again. 0.36 is nothing but 6 into 0.06. 0.27 is nothing but 9 into 0.03. But 0.001 is the cube of this number. Okay. So here it is the cube of this 0.1. So all the things will get cancelled. This will get cancelled, this will get cancelled, and one of the multiplied 0.1 is cancelled. So what is remaining? 0.1 square cube, because cube is at the numerator and 0.1 is at the denominator. So 3 minus 1, 2. One factor will get cancelled, two factors remain. Okay. This 0.01 is nothing but 0.1 into 0.1 into 0.1. So 1 0.1 is cancelled with denominator 0.1. Indices, we just add the indices when base is common. Okay, so it is 0.1 bracket square and here 6 into 9. So what is your answer? 0.1 bracket square means 0.01 and this is 54. So we have to give the decimal now. So 0.54 is your answer. Option number 3. Here again, now there is a square. 0.6, 0.036. Okay, so it is the, no, it is also not the square again. This one is also not the square. You have to solve it also very carefully, because if it is the square, then decimal will move to 2 points. So here it moves to 3 points. So it is also again not the square. Okay. Or you can solve this in another way as 0.036 means 36 upon 1000. In denominator 0.6 is there, which becomes 10 upon 6 into 2.35 means 235 upon 100, and this becomes 100 upon 5 and into 1 by 6. Now this 100 will get cancelled. 10 0 cancel. 6 6 are 36. So now divide. 5 4 are 20. 5 7 are 35. So what is remaining? 4.7. 5 4. Something is left. So this is 1000 na, so 100 is remaining, so 0.47 is your answer. 47 upon 100 means 0.47. Okay, so this is the way you can solve the sums for the decimal also, where you have to convert that into decimal form to the normal regular form, and then you can solve it. Okay, the next one is also the same as 48 students are there. 8 out of them are the boys, and 1/3 of the boys are selected for kabaddi. Now how many boys are there? So 5/8 of 48. So 8 5 are 40 and 8 6 are 48. So 5 6 are 30. 30 boys are there. Out of 30 boys, 1/3 boys plays kabaddi. So 10 boys plays the kabaddi. Okay. So in this way you can crack the rest of the sum. I hope you understood the concept. Indices topic we will take in the next class. समझा क्या? उसको डेसिमल से वो 100 अपॉन उसमें कन्वर्ट कर देने का, वो इजी जाता है. कभी कभी नहीं भी कन्वर्ट करने का, डिपेंड्स रहता है कौन से इसमें तुमको जल्दी मिलेगा.